Okay, here we go. We finally got the package from Savageinx. I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna unbox it now. I won this for placing third in a nail competition, and she was so kind to send this to me. I have no idea what it is, but she sent me a contest winner bundle, and I've been watching her page, and I'm very excited because some of her products I absolutely have been wanting to try anyways. So I can't believe it. So let's see. Oh, look at this. Fancy, fancy. Oh, man. It looks so cute. Congratulations. I'm a winner. Woohoo. All right, let's see what's in here. We're not going to get into that. It has addresses and stuff. All right, let's open this first. Oh, we got some brushes. Oh, we've got magnet. All right, there must be something magnetic in here. I'm going to say we have a gel brush, and we have another gel brush, a number 6. And I'm not sure what this one is. Okay, so let's see. Love the box. So cute. Ooh, look. Oh, scan me. How cute is that? Okay. Oh, Savageinx. I hope that this is what it is because that's what I've been wanting to try. Oh, she gave us some cute little charms, webs, bats. Adorable. You see all that in there? Let's see, custom press-ons. Oh, there's some little tape in here, some sticky things for the custom press-ons. Some stickers. Oh, how cute. Look at that. We got that tape. She does custom press-ons. She does an amazing job. All right, here's our cutie little tissue. It says Savageinx. See that? I'm hoping this is her glitter collection. Oh my God. Oh my God. So not only do we have this, a 9-piece visceral gel palette in Raw, Red, Ruthless, the Dead Meat collection. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? These are paints. I think they're pigments that you can mix and use as nail art, but we also have burial plot, grave glamour. Isn't that pretty? Oh, they're magnetically closed, so that makes it easy to get open and closed. And here we are. Oh my God, gilded guts. Let us look at this. Oh, I can't wait to see it. Oh, dang. Oh, I don't know if I can get it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna have to use some tweezers. All right, gilded guts. Oh my God, they're beautiful. Oh, it's a beautiful, gorgeous glitter. So I wonder if these are magnetic because there is a magnet in here. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see that, but that is a beautiful orangey red. I'm gonna have to swatch these, all right? So you have to give me another video to do that. And then we have Cheeky Chum, cute names. Cheeky Chum is a green. Oh, it's a gorgeous green. Oh, so this one is this one, I think. You see that? So cute. All right. Let's open this one. It's called Elusive Lure. Oh, that's a deep purple. That one is going to be very popular too. Actually, every single one of these. I can't wait to use that. Did you see that? It's a purple. We'll get into it. Aqua Regia. Aqua Regia. Oh, it is aqua. Okay, okay, you see that? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so glad I got these. These are the ones that I want. This one's called Bitch Bait. Oh, it's like a, you see that? It's like a pinky, peachy, like there's multiple colors in there. It's very pretty. And finally, Sultry Scales. I think these are, that's the purple. Oh, it's very sultry. Oh yeah, I think these are her color. I don't know if these are her shape-shifting colors, but I think they might be. So I'm gonna play around with these and have some fun, and then I will do a swatching video. Okay, thank you for watching. Thanks so much, Savageinx, for my gift.